Here, I'm gonna turn the key on. Doesn't want to start.
Okay,
Yeah, that there.
we took this car all apart.
It's a 2000, what's this? Chrysler.
Chrysler 200.
2014 Chrysler.
Working on this car, and all of a sudden, we couldn't get it to start.
Yeah.
You turn the ignition, and what
Yeah, it's
happened?
nothing. No
Nothing.
clicking.
So
And
we
we
checked all the
check all the
fuses.
fuses. And the fuses are all good. We're looking for the schematic and trying to check the starter. And there's a voltage in there, but no voltage going into the what's this, starter wire. So it's a big problem after that.
So we phoned a customer to see if there's something that we don't know, and as it turned out, the customer did not do their vehicle payment, so that the mortgage company shut the vehicle down.
Wow.
So
Never heard that.
we spent all day trying to figure out what's wrong with this vehicle, where the mortgage company shut it down. So,
Oh, eh?
and we're not going to be getting paid for this, so we're not very happy about this.
Yeah. That's no good.
Sure, your customers make their vehicle payments.
Yeah. So that's a Chrysler 200 2014. Put the screw on. Okay, we're ready to start. The company activate the computer. Wow, look at that. It's starting now because they activate the computer. Wow, it's amazing.
You're a liar.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't buy a new computerized vehicle.